Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another tutorial video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be showing you how to remove the door panel on a first generation Toyota Tacoma. This particular model I'm working with here today is a 2001 which is equipped with power windows and locks. A truck with manual windows may be a slightly different procedure. Make sure your interior light is turned off so you don't drain the battery. First start by removing the plastic caps under the armrest using a standard screwdriver. Behind these caps will be Phillips screws. You'll need a longer screwdriver to access those Phillips screws. Remove both. There will be 2 in total. A magnet can be used to retrieve those screws, or you may be able to vibrate the panel to help them fall out. Remove the panel for the power windows, mirrors, and locks. Use a nylon trim tool to pry up at the side, as there will be tabs which clips underneath the panel on the back side. Now remove the connectors. There will be a tab which is depressed and then you can pull it out. Do the same for the other connector. Remove the Phillips screw in the door handle area. Remove the plastic cover on the mirror area using a nylon trim tool. This just clips into place. Disconnect it at the top and pull up slightly to disengage the tang on the bottom. Using a nylon trim tool, go around the sides and bottom of the panel, disconnecting the clips. Once you have one area started, you can typically go around the rest of the perimeter with your hand. Lift up and pull off the panel. It slides into a slot at the top side along the window's edge. Pop out the door handle. It can be left on and is fed through the opening. On the back side, remove the electrical connector for the tweeter speaker. In order to remove that door handle, there is a plastic clip on the pull rod. This can be unclipped, then rotated, and finally pull the handle off. A view behind the panel at the clip locations. Reinstallation is in reverse of removal. First is reconnecting the tweeter speaker. Feed the wires through the hole for the power windows, mirrors, and locks. You'll most likely need to have the window open to feed the pull for the lock into place. The window can be lowered just by hooking up the switches and the key turned on. Push the panel down into the slot along the window's edge, then snap the clips into place. Make sure they are lined up with the holes as they can break. Reconnect the power windows, mirror, and lock harness. Then reinstall the panel, first angling in the back side and then clipping in the front side. Reinstall the handle. This can be done with the panel on, however it is a bit harder. Clip on the pull rod, then use a standard screwdriver to lock the clip into place. If the clip isn't in place, the rod may fall out of the handle, not allowing you to open the door. Then reinstall the screw. Reinstall the 2 large Phillips screws under the armrest. Snap on the caps. These only install in one orientation. And finally clip on the cap behind the mirror. As you can see, there is a tang at the bottom and this needs to be installed first. Make sure everything works and you're done. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to follow my social media pages such as Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to keep up to date with my latest projects. And if you're not a subscriber, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.